Is finding a serious relationship online in 2025 feeling bleak? Many singles report frustration, but don't give up hope just yet. It's absolutely possible to find your perfect partner through dating apps, with studies showing many couples meet this way, especially younger adults and the LGBTQ+ community. In fact, nearly half of all dating app users are actively seeking long-term connections. We've uncovered the absolute best dating apps for serious relationships in 2025 that are transforming how people find love. For direct access to these game-changing apps, check the links in the video description right now. Number 1. eHarmony stands out as a decades-old leader, renowned for its in-depth compatibility matching system that consistently helps users find their spouses. Number 2. Match, another venerable platform, maintains a strong reputation for connecting singles looking for commitment, leveraging its vast user base and sophisticated filtering. Number 3. Hinge is rapidly gaining traction, uniquely designed to be deleted by fostering deeper conversations and more meaningful meetups, which is a huge differentiator. Number 4. Bumble empowers women to make the first move, creating a more intentional and respectful dating environment that often leads to more serious interactions. Number 5. Coffee Meets Bagel focuses on quality over quantity, delivering curated, high-potential matches daily, perfect for those tired of endless swiping. Don't let the noise of dating app culture deter you. These platforms are proven tools when used strategically.